Welcome to OBDSync. In this episode, we're going through how to enable the factory paddle shift option in a Holden VF Commodore. You must have a paddle shift steering wheel fitted and also the required wiring fitted to the vehicle for this to be able to work. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the body control module tile. We'll then go to the flashing tab, click on the configurable options. We'll head over to the paddle shift drop down, click enabled, and then we'll make sure we have a battery charger fitted to the car. And once we do, we'll go ahead and click right. This will then begin the flashing sequence and flash our modifications to the vehicle. This typically takes around 20 to 30 seconds to complete. Very important to note that for 2014 vehicles and also PPV Caprice vehicles, you will also need to program the transmission control module to enable paddle shift. For newer vehicles, so our VF 2015, 16, and 17s, you should not need to. Your paddle shifts, so long as the wiring is all correct, you'll be able to use your paddle shift straight away. So this is now completed, just doing our finalization flash routine, and we'll get a pop-up indicating it is all done. So go ahead and click OK, and that's all done. So you can test in vehicle if you have a vehicle that's 15, 16, or 17. If you have a 2014 like we have here or a PPV, you'll need to also do the TCM. So going into the TCM menu, again, once it's loaded, we'll have our flashing tab along the top. We'll then go to our configurable options, and then we'll then enable paddle shift. So go ahead, click enabled. And then we'll make sure we click the right button. We'll have a pop-up indicating that it will wipe away any custom tune on the transmission controller. It won't affect an engine computer tune, only the transmission computer tune. So if yours is modified, you will need to get your tuner to read out this new tune and then copy across the changes he made onto this new tune. So long as he doesn't wipe over it, because then it will get rid of the paddle shift option that we are applying just here. So I have fast forwarded through this section just because it takes roughly about a minute and a half to complete. But again, we'll have the finalization flash routine and finally a pop-up saying completed. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.